You know how we're all using AI to help with spreadsheets and reports? It's convenient. The charts look clean, the summaries sound professional. But here's the thing, those numbers might be wrong, and you might not notice. I learned this the hard way. Let me explain why it happens. AI tools like chatbots don't calculate like Excel does. They generate what seems plausible, not what's mathematically correct, even when you give them the exact data. I tested this recently. I asked an AI to create a simple bar chart from sales numbers. The chart looked perfect. The bars matched my expectations, but when I checked the totals, they were off by 15%. The AI had invented numbers that looked right, but didn't add up. Literally. This isn't a bug. It's how these systems work. They're language models. They predict what should come next based on patterns, not calculate deterministically. Think of it like asking a friend to summarize a spreadsheet. They might get the gist right, but mess up some details. AI does something similar. It produces internally consistent output. Everything fits together nicely. The problem is, it might not match your actual data. Here's a concrete example. Say you have monthly sales. January 10th, $000, February 12th, $000, March 15th, $000. You ask AI for a quarterly summary. It might say, total $37,000. That sounds reasonable, but it's wrong. The real total is $37,000. Wait, let me check. 10 plus 12 plus 15 is 37. Okay, that's actually correct. But what if it said $36,500? That's close enough to seem right. You might not question it, especially if the chart looks professional. This happens more often than you think. The AI isn't trying to deceive you. It's just not designed for precise math. It's designed for language. So what should you do? First, treat AI as a drafting tool. Use it to format your charts. Make them look nice, but don't trust the numbers it generates. Second, always recalculate. Use Excel, or a calculator, or SQL if you're working with databases. These tools do deterministic math. They'll give you the same answer every time. Third, reconcile manually. Check that the totals match your source data before you share anything. This doesn't mean AI is useless. Far from it. It's great for brainstorming explanations or suggesting how to present data. Just don't treat it as a source of numeric truth. I made this mistake recently. I was preparing a report. The AI created beautiful charts. I almost sent it out without checking. Luckily, I caught the errors, but it was close. Now I have a rule. AI for formatting. Traditional tools for calculations. It saves time in the long run. Because fixing wrong numbers later, that takes much longer than checking them first. Remember, polished doesn't mean accurate. A chart can look perfect and still be wrong. Always verify, especially with important data. Your audience trusts you to get it right. AI can help, but it can't replace your oversight. Use it wisely. Check your work. The numbers matter.